Bienvenidos una vez más a un video para aprender español. Soy el profesor Henry Herrera. So welcome back to the series of videos about Spanish pronunciation and Spanish. So today I'm gonna help you with the Spanish alphabet, but this is part 2, so make sure you watch the video before this. So today we're just gonna be working about the most difficult consonants in Spanish, and I'm gonna help you the pronunciation. Sometimes it gets very confusing, but today we're gonna just look at the linguistic part of the language. Okay, let's take a little adventure today. So, tengo camino, quito, kilo. Tengo aquí en este lado tengo tomate, rápido, helado. Y en este lado de acá tengo llama, torre y chao. So these are the most difficult words to pronounce in Spanish. So let me explain you with more details right now, okay? So I have 3 words right here. All these 3 words in Spanish, we literally use the linguistic part and we pronounce the same way every single one. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, this is ka. So you see I have C-A, Camilo, but here I have Q-I-T-O. So, Quito. Entonces tenemos la pronunciación Quito. Uso la misma pronunciación en kilo. So, in Spanish, so if you were talking about the linguistic part of the language, we use the same pronunciation for all these 3 consonants. We use ka. So ka. So all that's, if you in English, so will be different, right? But in Spanish, we use the same. Right here in the middle, so we have T. You're gonna ask me why T can be difficult to pronounce if you are an English speaker in Spanish. So if you speak other language than English also, this will help you in the Spanish pronunciation, okay? So tenemos tomate. So the T in Spanish is very, very soft T. It's t, almost silent. Escuchen una vez más. Tomate. You see? Tomate. That's how I pronounce that. And tenemos rápido. So it's a huge complaint right there. The R's in Spanish language are very difficult to pronounce. So what I want you to do is practice in your free time. So make sure you look at the description how we pronounce the R. I'm gonna have some pictures there for you. Tenemos rápido. ¿Sí ves? Rápido. Single R is just rápido. You see? And H, a huge problem for English speakers as well, because we tend to pronounce the H. So in Spanish, every time, not just 1 time, 2 times, every time you see H in Spanish, is silent, so that we don't pronounce H. Tenemos helado. Perfecto. Lo estás haciendo muy bien. So, en este otro lado, in this size, I have 3 words that can be challenging as well for you. So, tenemos double L. So, in Spanish, you can use the pronunciation. You can use Y for L. You can say llama. David told you, okay, if you're English speaker, llama, right? Or you can say llama, or you can use sh, llama. So this will be kind of the equivalent to say llama. So either or, wherever it's easier for you. And tenemos right here, tenemos double R. So double R, so escuchen con cuidado, okay? Listen carefully. Tenemos torre. Do you guys see? Torre. Double R. So very soft touch in the top of my tongue, okay? Torre. Muy bien. Y tenemos la otra CH, ¿sabes? The sound, can you hear it? Say chao. Or as many words out there that you can use the same way. So, eso es todo por hoy. That's it for today. So I hope you see you in the next video. Please subscribe, that way you can see the the series of videos about Spanish pronunciation. So, te veo pronto. Hasta luego.